Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a useful tool for small businesses, Airtable. We will specifically learn how to create and manage a product catalog in this transformative platform. Firstly, open Airtable and click the plus New Base button. Choose to start from scratch and name your base Product Catalog. This is the place where you'll store all your product information, kind of like your digital stockroom. Now that we've done that, the next step is to create your first table. Click plus Add a Table and name it Products. This is the heart of your catalog, where all your product details will live. Next up is defining your product fields. Click plus Add Field and start by adding basic fields like product name, product ID, price, quantity, and description. The reason we do this is to keep all your product details organized and easy to access. Let me explain why this matters. Think of these fields as the columns in your Excel spreadsheet. They help keep your information structured, and you can customize them to fit your business needs. Following this, you'll want to add product entries. Click on plus Add Record and start filling in the details using the fields you've created. This helps us because it transforms our blank table into a valuable catalog filled with our product data. Once you've added your products, it's time to manage your catalog. You can sort your products by clicking on the arrow next to any field name and choosing Sort Ascending or Sort Descending. This helps you to quickly find products based on their price, quantity, or any field you choose. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. Every time you add, remove, or update a product, Airtable automatically saves these changes. This means your catalog is always up to date and ready for your team to use. Finally, to share your catalog, click on the Share button at the top right and choose the appropriate sharing options. This allows your team to access and collaborate on the product catalog in real time. And that's a wrap on creating and managing a product catalog in Airtable. It's a simple yet powerful tool to keep your product information organized and accessible. Remember, consistency is key to maintaining an effective catalog. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy organizing.